Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add employee reimbursement form into one of the Appsheet app. Right, so first thing I will do is I will create a new database out of the blank one. Right, so what I will do here right now is I will create one temporary database known as MyDB. I will also create a new table. Here you can see we'll rename this as employee. Right. Let's close this table here. Right. Now once the table is deleted, what I will do is I will create a new column for this. Here I will name this employee ID. Save this. Now if we remove some of the earlier columns that we don't need, I will also label our new column as column label and then delete the unused columns. Now I will add a date for employee reimbursement. So go to date and time, choose date, save this. In new column we will be adding description why they are asking for reimbursement. Save this. Next is category, so it should be within enum. Name this as category and then drop down, name this as health reasons, then personal, then financial or miscellaneous other. Save this as well. In new column I will be adding the cost, which is going to be for number or price if you want to have that. Now the thing is I will also use department. So department can also be made as enum and drop down in department 1, department 2, 3 and so on. Other. Right, save this as well. Finally I will add notes which are into text type. If you want to add additional purpose along with category, you can do so within notes as well. Now once you have the table ready, you can go back to your apps. Right, here I will create new one with existing data. I will name this something like employee reimbursement. Right, tracker. Now here we have like sales CRM human resource. Then I will choose the data. Here within Appsheet I will choose the database and then table I will create the app. Now once you have everything, you are good to go with your table and that will be imported within your app. Right, then you have options for your tracker, but before that let's take a look at the default view. So click on views. Here I will go with table. Here I can also name this as employee reimbursement. Right, and then I can sort this particular by employee ID. Right, then group by category. It's fine by me. If you don't want, you can also delete this. Save this view and try and view this in desktop. And should be visible here. Right, now I'll add new entry. Let's name this employee 1001. Then date is something like 10th or 11th Monday. Right, so personal issues as description. Right, we already have employee ID, so categories should be personal. Then cost is 100. Then department 2. Then notes is personal problems. And then I will save this entry. Now it should appear within our table here like this. You can also add additional entries, so it should appear now like this. Someone asked for that within, let's say, health reason, medical OPD charges. And cost is say like 150. Department 3, and we will save this. Here you see we have like two different reasons. It is sorting out based on that, and our view for employee reimbursement appears something like this, right? So you get the idea how to create employee reimbursement tracker from your Google App Sheet.